Hello. Today, we're diving deep into the world of healthy living and dietary supplements. If you're wondering which supplement is right for you, or where to start on your journey to a healthier life, you've come to the right place. In this video, get ready to add a dose of wellness to your life, with tips backed by scientific research. Let's start with what food supplements are. Food supplements are a fantastic way to fill in the gaps for vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients our bodies need, but sometimes don't get enough of. But here's the key. Everyone's needs are different. For example, omega-3 fatty acids support heart health, while vitamin D is essential for the immune system. However, that doesn't mean everyone needs these supplements. This is where understanding your individual needs comes into play. What does science say? For instance, omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for brain and heart health. Magnesium, on the other hand, works wonders for stress management. But let's be clear. Supplements are not magic solutions. They're a part of a healthy lifestyle. Proper nutrition, regular exercise, and quality sleep amplify the effects of supplements. So, how do you figure out which supplement is right for you? Here's a step-by-step guide. Identify the area where you need support energy, immunity, skin health. Consult your healthcare professional. Read product labels carefully. Pay attention to dosages and ingredient purity. This way, you can make the best choice for your needs. Pure Life Academy mission. Absolutely. This channel is your go-to guide for discovering the top dietary supplements and what makes each one stand out. We launched this Pure Life Academy to help you make smarter, healthier choices with confidence. At Pure Life, we're all about delivering the very best for you every step of the way. Along with dietary supplements, here are a few tips for a healthier lifestyle. Eat fresh and natural foods. Make daily movement a habit. Even a simple walk can make a difference. Manage your stress. It's essential for overall health. Small but consistent steps lead to a healthier life. The journey to healthy living begins with small steps every day. By incorporating what you've learned today, you can feel more energized and fulfilled in the future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this information with others. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.